possible. Next step, frankly, what can it be? The next step is we go to the judicial system, right? Also, we don't actually understand the main issue here. This is actually a small piece of the puzzle. The big piece of the puzzle is voter deletion. We don't know how many voters have been deleted where. We know how many have been added, but we don't know how many have been deleted. We suspect the number of deleted voters is bigger than the number of added voters. We suspect. So,
PTI, Mike, give the mic.
So you are saying that despite raising this with the EC time and again they are not responding. So do you think that also another way would be to go to the people and start a people's movement, or also could you approach the president about this?
I mean, I just mentioned, I think the next step of this is going to be go to the judiciary. But look, it's surprising to me that the Election Commission is not ready to give us the voter list. It should be surprising to you, right? There should be no reason for them not to give us the voter list. To me, the only reason possible for them not immediately giving us the voter lists of both these elections is that there's something wrong, and they know it, right?
Sanjay Mishra.
राहुल जी, आपने और संजय जी ने कहा कि वोटर लिस्ट इलेक्शन कमीशन दे नहीं रहा है, और जिस तरह का उनका रवैया है शायद आपको मिले भी नहीं। क्या आप लोगों के पास जो लोकसभा चुनाव के दौरान वोटर लिस्ट मिली थी पार्टियों को, और विधानसभा चुनाव के दौरान जो पार्टियों को लिस्ट मिली थी, उस लिस्ट के आधार पर कहीं कोई कंक्लूजन पर आप
हमें सेंट्रलाइज्ड लिस्ट नहीं मिलती है, हमें बिल्कुल डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड लिस्ट मिलती है। तो हमें सेंट्रलाइज्ड एक लिस्ट चाहिए और हमें फाइनल लिस्ट चाहिए जिस लिस्ट पे वोटिंग हुई है लोकसभा और विधानसभा की। बड़ा सिंपल सा है, 15 सेकंड में भी ये इलेक्शन कमीशन हमें ये दे सकती है, बट नहीं दे रही है।
मौसमी